Hello, lovely viewers. Thank you so much, returning subscribers. I really appreciate you coming back one more time on this channel. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share for others to benefit. So in our previous video, we spoke about sneaky causes of kidney failure that will shock you. If you've not seen that video, the link is in the description of this video. Please click on it and check it out. Now, I had concerns about people wanting to know how you know that you have kidney disease. Before I start, I want you to know that the early stages of chronic kidney disease do not have signs and symptoms. So you might not know if you have it. That is why it is very important for you to check regularly to know the status of your kidney, especially if you have certain conditions that we mentioned in the previous video. However, when it gets to the advanced stage of kidney disease, you might see some signs and symptoms that will alert you to know that you have kidney disease. Please stick and stay to the end of this video as we dive into the signs and symptoms. The major function of the kidneys is to filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, which are then removed in a form of urine and feces. Now, when this major function of the kidneys is gradually lost, it is called chronic kidney disease or chronic kidney failure. This happens over a period of time, that is months or even years. When it gets to the advanced stage, which is called advanced chronic kidney disease, it can cause dangerous levels of fluids, electrolytes, and waste to build up in your body. And then, in the early stages of this particular condition or the chronic kidney disease, the signs and symptoms are very few. So you might not even know that you have it, you not even realize it. But when it gets to the advanced stages, then you start realizing it with certain signs and symptoms. Let's get into it. The first warning sign that you have to look out for is low urine output. Remember that your kidney is responsible for filtering waste and it comes out in a form of urine. If you have kidney disease, you may not be able to urinate as much as required. So if you notice that there is a persistently low urine output, it is very important that you visit the nearest healthcare center and report as soon as possible. Secondly, swelling of the lower extremities, that is your ankle, legs, and feet. Now, your kidneys are responsible for getting rid of excess fluid from your body. If you have kidney disease, the body may not be able to excrete fluid waste as it should be. So this fluid accumulates in your legs, your feet, your ankle, and then they appear swollen. If you see that your legs are swollen, please visit the nearest healthcare center. Do not wait for it to get worse. Another warning sign to look out for is fatigue or tiredness. So when you work a little, then you are very tired. Poorly functioning kidneys may be unable to excrete toxins and waste from the body. So these substances can accumulate in the blood. Such blood impurities can cause extreme fatigue and problems with concentration. So your kidneys, if they are not able to excrete toxic substances from your body, they tend to now accumulate in your body and then making you to get tired like very easily. Are you experiencing dry and itchy skin? Well, it may be your kidney. Yes, there may be many causes for dry and itchy skin, but one of them is kidney damage. Now, poorly functioning kidneys mess with the balance of minerals and nutrients in the body, leading to skin conditions or skin problems. If your kidneys are not able to excrete nutrients that your body do not need, they will accumulate and some of them can cause kidney problems. That is why if you see anything unusual on your skin, it is very important that you report to the nearest healthcare center. The fifth sign that you need to look out for kidney failure is blood in the urine. If the kidney filters are damaged, blood can flow into the urine. With this particular sign, it is actually a medical emergency. You need to seek medical intervention with immediate effect. When you say this particular sign, it means that your kidney failure has gotten to the advanced stage, like the very high stage that you need to act as soon as possible to prevent further damage. So please, if you see blood in your urine, kindly report immediately to the nearest healthcare center to prevent further damage. The next warning sign or symptom to look out for in kidney failure is puffy eyes. If your eyes are puffy, it may not be lack of sleep. It could be kidney failure. So this is usually a symptom of lack of protein. Now your kidney is supposed to act in a form of a sieve, and that sieve is supposed to get rid of unwanted waste from your body. But if the sieve is malfunctioning, that is, the kidneys are malfunctioning, excess protein is now being expelled out of your body, and then it will lead to puffy eye. The protein that your body needs is now being getting rid of because the kidneys are not functioning right. So if you see puffy eyes, please report immediately. It may be kidney failure. Now let's look at frequent urination. Should you worry if you urinate frequently? Yes. Frequent urination is one of the warning signs of kidney failure. The need to urinate frequently may indicate that the filters in the kidneys have been damaged. But frequent urination may also be a sign of urinary infection. It may also be a sign of diabetes. That is why when you see that you are urinating more than usual, you need to report it and let them check your kidneys and other organs in your body. Are you wondering whether these signs and symptoms are treatable? Well, if you see any of these signs and symptoms that we discussed, you need to visit the nearest healthcare center to get diagnosed. If you are diagnosed and it is kidney failure, you may need dialysis or a kidney transplant, depending on your condition or the stage of your kidney failure. Dialysis is actually the only process that helps to artificially expel fluid and waste from your body when your kidneys stop carrying out this process naturally. Usually, if you have kidney failure, you need to get dialysis done twice a week to clear your bladder and your bowels. So there are two types of dialysis. The first type is called peritoneal dialysis. In this case, a cleansing solution is introduced into your abdomen through a catheter. And after some time, the solution is drained out of your body along with excess bodily fluid and waste that your body do not need. The second type of dialysis is called hemodialysis. For hemodialysis, a dialyzer removes excess fluid and waste from your bloodstream. So your bloodstream is actually made of waste because the kidney cannot get rid of them. And this machine is used to remove those waste and other substances that your blood do not need from your blood. If you get to a stage where your kidneys can no longer work at all, then you need to do a kidney transplant. In this case, you will need to replace your damaged kidneys with healthy ones from a donor. It means that you need to get someone with a healthy kidney to donate to you to replace your damaged kidneys. Even after you've undergone kidney transplant, you need to continue with treatment to ensure that the transplanted kidney is able to function adequately as your body requires. These are some of the warning signs and symptoms that you need to be aware of to prevent further damages from kidney failure. Remember, some of these signs and symptoms may resemble other diseases and conditions. That is why you do not have to sit at home and assume. Always visit the nearest healthcare center. Remember, early detection saves life. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you learned a thing or two from this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share for others to benefit. See you soon in the next video.